As a transmission industry expert with decades of experience, I can confidently say that the General Motors 6L80, 8L90, and 10L80 transmissions are among the most problematic units ever mass-produced. These transmissions, found in countless GM vehicles, are riddled with design and manufacturing flaws that lead to chronic issues like torque converter shudder, harsh shifting, and premature failure. The infamous shudder problem has become so widespread that it's almost expected with these models, leaving countless vehicle owners frustrated and facing expensive repairs. GM's so-called official flush cure for the transmission shudder is nothing more than a Band-Aid solution, and a poor one at that. The company recommends 2 separate flushes with different fluids, but anyone in the transmission field knows this does nothing to address the root cause. It's as effective as ignoring a check engine light, simply delaying the inevitable breakdown while costing owners hundreds of dollars. In reality, this approach is just a calculated move by GM to avoid negative online press and push frustrated customers toward buying a new vehicle. The situation has escalated to the point where class action lawsuits have been filed against General Motors for all these transmission models. Owners allege that GM knowingly sold vehicles with defective transmissions and failed to provide meaningful solutions. These lawsuits highlight the sheer scale of the problem, as thousands of drivers have experienced the same issues with shuddering, slipping, and transmission failure, often just outside the warranty window, leaving them on the hook for costly repairs. Despite the widespread frustration with GM's inadequate responses, there is a glimmer of hope for 8L90 transmission owners. Transmax Transmissions in Ocala, Florida, has developed the only known real fix for the 8L90's chronic shudder issues. Their solution tackles the underlying design flaws that GM has ignored, restoring proper function and reliability. For anyone suffering from these transmission nightmares, Transmax is the industry's best-kept secret, proving that real expertise can succeed where the manufacturer has failed.